Welcome to the Big Leaf Mahogany Growth and Yield Model. In this video, we are going to show you how to export a summary of the results of a single simulation into a text document located on your computer. I've already simulated the 204 hectare population for 33 years using default logging conditions. Now I'm going to press the Export Results button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. I'm going to be reminded to include the text file extension .txt when saving our results summary file. Press OK to continue. You can save the results summary file anywhere on your computer, but we suggest that you save it in the results folder of the model folder. I'm going to call this file results.txt, remembering the .txt extension for the text file, and hit save. Now I can go to the model folder on my computer, go into the results folder, and open the results.txt file. If I open it using Notepad, which is the default text editor on your Windows PC, you're going to get a file that looks like this. It's a bit of a jumbled mess. So what we suggest is downloading another text editor called Another Notepad. You can either search for Another Notepad in Google, or you can go to this website up here in the locator bar. Now, using the text editor Another Notepad, we're able to get a results summary file that is sensical. The top of the file summarizes the simulation that was run. So it tells you that what population you simulated, the area of the population that was simulated, whether logging was on or off, what the time limit setting was, and also how many years the model was actually run. So even though we had a time limit of 100 years, the model was only able to run for 33 years, which constitutes 2 logging cycles. The next portion of the logging of the summary file is a disclaimer about the statistical power of a single simulation, as well as a reminder about total abundance / density, and that it only pertains to trees that are larger than 20 centimeters in diameter. So the next portion of the results summary file reminds us what logging parameters were used in this simulation. So we use default logging parameters. Those are all default conditions. And it also tells us statistics about the population in year 0, and those same statistics in the final year of simulation, which in our case was year 33, so that you can compare differences between total abundance 143 versus 43, total density 70.1 versus 21.1 trees per 100 hectares, etc., etc. And you can also examine statistics on the harvest years. So over the course of 2 harvest cycles, we were able to log 94 trees for a total of 582.2 meters cubed volume. And this breaks down the different harvests, so we're able to see that we weren't able to harvest as many trees in the second harvest, year 31, as in the first harvest, year 1. Finally, we are able to see a description of the size distribution in the final year. So this is how to export the summary of the results of a single simulation. Refer to the behavior space video or manual to learn how to perform an experiment and export the results of many simulations.